Hi, today we are going to learn how to expand the brackets in a fast way. So let's say I give you the example such as this one, p plus 2, and then times another p plus 2. Okay, normally what we will do is, this one, the p, right? We will times the bracket at the back. So this p have to times the p plus 2, like this. And then the next one, the 2 at the back, will also times the p plus 2 here. Okay, we can do it this way. So p times p, p squared, 2p, and p times 2, so 2p, and 2 times 2 will be 4. And at the end, right, you can simplify it and get p squared plus 4p plus 4. So this is the answer. And normally, right, what people do is they don't write this one. If you feel confused, I would suggest you write this step so you can double check your answer. But if you're okay with it, actually, you can just use the arrow method, like p times p, you can straight away write p squared. P times 2, so 2p. And 2 times p, 2p. And 2 times 2, you will get 4. So at the end, right, you will get the same answer like the step here. And this method also works when we have 3 terms. For example, if I have p plus 2 plus k, then if I have p plus 2, if I want to expand it and don't want to use the arrow method, because if you get very confusing, I can use p times the bracket at the back. Same thing like just now, the p here times everything at the back. After that, you can use 2 times the 1 at the back, like just now. And you just have additional step, which is like this. The k also need to times p plus 2. And you can just square them like this, p squared, p times 2, p times 2, 2 times 2, and then k times p, k times 2. Then you can just simplify them like just now, 2p, 2p, so 4p. The rest, we can't add them, right? So just leave it like that, that's it. So this method works also for the question that I have 3 terms like this. Okay, now I want to explain the fast method when we expand the brackets with the same terms. So for example, I will use the same question. Okay, p plus 2 times p plus 2. If you can see that they are same like this, we can also represent the bracket using this method, square. And the fast method is like this. You can use the first term, square it, p squared, so I will get p squared. And the middle term, I can use this one as a 2. 2 times this and times this, times all the 3 terms together. So this one, we make it as 2. So 2 times 2, 4. 4 times p, so 4p. And the last step will be square the last term. So square the 2, so 4. So by using this method, I can get the answer just in few steps and no need the long working like this. So I will use another example to explain again the fast method. So if I have something like this, so first step, like just now, always square the first term. When we square it, right, no matter you have positive or negative, it must be positive. So negative 5y, I squared it, means I times myself 2 times, so I'll get 25y squared. So this is the first step. The second step will be the same, 2 times the term here, and then times this one. Only the neither term possible to have positive and negative, because 2 times 3, 6 times negative 5, so negative 30y. And then after that, the last step, we will square this term, 3 squared, so 9. Due to this and this, we get it by square the numbers, so it must be positive. Only the middle one can have the negative or positive. That's it. So maybe I can use another example. Let's say negative m minus 6n, I squared it. Okay, the step will be square this term, m squared, 2 times this one, negative 12n times the negative m, I will have positive 12mn. Then the last step, square this term, so I will have positive 36n squared. That's it. Okay, next I will explain you another way to expand the bracket with plus minus sign. Okay, for example, if I have a plus b, a minus b, if I want to expand it, okay, first time I will show you the long method. We can use a times the whole term here. And then the next one is positive b times a minus b. Okay, for this one, a times a squared, a times negative b, negative ab. This one, I'll get ab, and the next one, I'll get negative b squared. So what I want to tell you is, if I have something like 1 plus and 1 minus, if I expand, I'll get something like a plus and a negative like this. Then when we simplify, it will disappear. So the final answer will be a squared minus b squared. So we will call this one a squared minus b squared form will be the answer when I have something like exactly the same, just the difference is 1 plus and 1 minus. So let's say I have this one as example. Let me show you the fast method. If I have something like this, we call this one A, this one B, this one A, and this one B as well. Here plus and here minus. So if I expand it quick, I can say A squared, square this one, I will get 25W squared, and then minus the B squared. So 3 squared will be 9. That's it. So this is the fast method. And if you're not sure with this and you want to do it one by one, it's also possible. What we can do is we can use the expansion method. For example, this times this, 25W squared. This times this, minus 15W. This one, positive 15W. And this one is negative 9, you see? At the end, right, I will still get something 1 plus and 1 minus. Then this one will be cancelled. So final answer will be the same. Okay, that's it for today. Hope you like this video and learn something from it. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.